My name is Trish Keenan, and I'm a physician assistant. What first drew me to orthopedics was I've been involved in athletics pretty much my entire life, and I could really empathize with athletes who couldn't participate in the activities they were passionate about. And I just wanted to be part of the team that would help them get back to full activity and their full potential. One of the nicest things about orthopedics is you're seeing so many different types of people. You're seeing children, you're seeing people who are in their 90s, and you can offer all those people different things. But my main thing that I would say is get people back to being as active and mobile as possible. And to kids, that could be a travel team. To some of our older folks, that could be pickleball or gardening or golf, or honestly, even with the hip and joint replacements, getting back to your daily, activities like going to the grocery store independently. It is really fantastic to be able to make a change in patients' lives. I get to see patients 6 weeks post-op, and usually the hips are doing great, but the knee surgeries are a little bit more challenging. But by 3 months, most people say, I'm really glad I did this. It has affected my, life tremendously, improved my life tremendously. I've been doing this for 20 years, and it's still gratifying helping people. I think I made a great decision with my career.